Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the use of very important AI tool in research writing. This tool is Jenny AI. Jenny AI is also known as Research Guru because this tool truly helps in navigating through different papers, research articles, and finally help us in producing one proper research paper that you wanted to write, for which probably the deadline was yesterday. There were multiple tabs open of different research papers, and for one research topic for which you have spent least to say weeks or maybe months. This AI tool is going to help you in finding very first thing that is a suitable research topic. I'm sure you must all have been through this dilemma of finding a novel research topic in your area of interest. So today I'm going to guide you how to use Jenny AI for finding a research topic first, followed by how to conduct the research, how to define your writing, and finally to produce one perfect research paper in limited time. So let's get started. Talking about Jenny AI. Jenny AI is a AI tool which is used to conduct research. Now, we will open up this platform of Jenny AI. We will go to this option of AI chat. In this AI chat, we will give a prompt like research topic in your area of interest. So, for example, I'm taking mental health in young adults. Research topic on mental health in young adults. Okay. Now I gave this prompt. Now a list of research topics, I would say, has come up for me, which will help me in deciding what a research topic can be selected in my area of interest. Now, this is about AI chat. Once you've got the research topic, you will select one of the topics for which you will conduct the literature survey. In conducting the literature survey, you will conduct the literature survey to finalize one particular topic. Once a topic has been selected, now next step is to conduct a literature survey. For conducting a literature survey, it is very important for you to collect few articles related to this topic. You will research and find out articles related to this topic. Then it is very important to go to library and upload them. For example, I've uploaded this article related to mental health in young adults. Now, when you will upload this article, I just uploaded one for your reference. This way, you will upload many research articles in the library section of Jenny AI. Once you have uploaded the research article, you will ask it to open up. It will open up in a different window. This way. Once it has opened up, now in order to get to know what exactly is in it, to get the insights, you will ask AI chat again, or you can ask many questions related to your research topic. Or let's say I'm asking what is the insight of this paper. Why am I asking this? I'm asking this in order to gain the insights of this research article that I have already uploaded, and how can I synthesize the data of this article to utilize it in my own study. So there are many prompts that you can use. For example, you can say how to can you could critique the data from someone's point of view who does not support this argument. This way you can get a critic at the insights, and you can ask numerous questions. See, this way it has given me a lot of points wherein I would read and analyze the data. Here's a tip for all of you. It is very important to ask the AI chat in order to gain the insights, because there may be some information which I may miss out while reading the entire research article, or may not be able to analyze it as accurately as this would help me. This is about literature survey. You are going to upload multiple papers in the library, and then your collections would be shown here, and then In this sources section, you will upload more papers, and how to upload this paper is this option. Upload, you can simply drag the file once you have downloaded, or you can even upload the paper. Once you have uploaded the paper, you will be able to open it in the next window, as I told you in the last line. As I told you, you will open up this paper and you will be able to talk to AI chat in order to gain the insights. Now, after once I've got the insights, now comes the very important part of writing. First of all, in order to write, you need to, again, I'll repeat this, you need to upload all the articles into the library section. Why is it important? So that you can refer it time and again, and it will definitely help you to cite also. I would suggest you to first write the entire paper in your own style. Once you've written that, then you will be able to edit it using AI commands. There are many AI commands that are available, like you can simplify, or to get the smoother transition from one paragraph to another paragraph. You can take help from Jenny AI for all these things. Now, coming to the most important part of citing the research article. Now, how to cite this research article? Once I'll go back, I'll show you the writing part. So here it is. You'll go to three-dot menu, and then you'll open up new document, create a new document, and it is just opening up. Yeah, I want to write a research paper on mental health of young adults. Okay, this is it. I will start writing. It will give me a layout of how a research paper is written. Introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, and definitely will come the references. Let's say I have written these 4 lines, a paragraph probably. Now I go to this AI edit. I can improve the fluency. I can paraphrase it to look more academically correct or maybe professional. I can simplify it, strengthen the argument. As you can see, there are multiple options. Once this is done, okay. Once this is done, now I can, let's say I have written one line. I am going to write methodology. In this study, we are going to explore secondary studies for which inclusion and exclusion criteria will be followed. Let's say I have written this line and maybe more. I will select, in case you have written points which are your analysis after reading research articles and you're not able to find the appropriate reference for it, or probably an appropriate research article to cite, then Jenny AI would definitely help you with this also. You have to select this. You need to go to cite, and you'll go to discover. Discover will give you the options in which this kind of information, the articles which have these kind of information, you can directly cite from here. Citation added. As you can see, the citation has been added. This way you can cite an information which you have analyzed from different research articles, but again you are not able to find the proper article to cite. This way you're going to cite it, and it will give you a reference at the end. Accordingly, it will give you the reference at the end. So this is about Jenny AI tool, how it helps you in research, in writing, and creating references. Hope this video helped you, and all the best for your research paper.